Hi and welcome back to another Divine Based dance class. Today we're going to be doing a bit of a lyrical dance to Into the Unknown from Frozen 2. So just a quick reminder before we get started to do all the movements within your own capabilities and change any movements when necessary. So let's find a space. So it says, what do you want? And you push one arm out to the front and you want your hand flexed so your fingers are up to the ceiling. So go, what do you want? It says, you're keeping me awake, and you're gonna hide your head in your hands. So like you're hiding from it. So you want to push, and then hide. And then the same arm is gonna stretch out to the side, and you're gonna have a flexed hand again. So you want to see a flat line here. So go, what do you want? Hide, because you're keeping me awake. It says, I'm not here to. You're pushing. And it says, distract you. And you're going to push your hand down. So you want to resist it. And that's going to turn your body to face the front. Just going to go, what do you want? You're keeping me awake. I'm not here to distract you. Push to face the front and then just bring your arm down nice and gently. So that is the very beginning of it. So it'll go push, hide, push again, and swing your arm round to the front. So you want that to be nice and sharp and then that to be gentle. And then after that, you're going to do step on one leg, the other leg is just going to bend up behind it, and you want your arms one up by your ear and one out to the side, and you'll just step like that nice and gently, and then you'll step the bent leg in front and that'll turn you round. So it'll go all together. Step in front, turn. Very good. So from the beginning, push, hide, push again, swing the arm to the front, and step in front, turn. And to the end of this phrase, you're going to go out in front, bringing your arms into your chest, and then this will bring you down to kneel, and one leg will be up and one leg will be down. So that move is in, keep going down, so you want to end here with your head down facing the diagonal. So we'll just add that bit on. Try it with some music. It starts about 1 minute 30 into the song.
You here to distract me?
Push, hide,
Keeping me awake. You here to distract me? So I made a big mistake. Or are you
step,
someone out there?
turn,
A little bit like me.
bounce,
Knows deep
down.
I'm not where I'm meant to be. Yep.
Very good. So carrying on, we've ended down. And you want your front arm to lead, and you're going to do 3 arm circles. So it'll go front arm, then your back arm, and then your front arm's going to lead, and this will bring you up to stand. So the arms are just 1, 2, 3, and when it hits the top of the third one, you'll just bring it down the front, and you'll just stand up when you do it. So 1, 2, 3. Very good. So that bit's nice and gentle where the other bits have been very sharp. So when you've finished here, you've gone down. You're going to step your front foot back, straightening the back leg out, pointing the toe, pushing the arm away, and this is sharp again, nice and strong. So you're going to do 2 pushes, 1, 2, and then you're going to do step in the front leg out to the side, and you're going to take that arm up, and then the other, that's nice and tall. Then you're going to go in, and you're going to bend down. So you've gone 1, 2, 3, and down, push, push, step, step, in, and then you're going to release up and bring them down. So that bit's nice and soft again, nice and gentle. So we'll add on from facing the sides. You've pushed, swing it round, step, step, turn, in, down to the floor, arm, 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 step, step, reach, reach, in, and then just out to release. So we'll just try that little bit with the music as well. Push, side, push, release, step, turn, step, round, down, arm, 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 push, nice and sharp, step, step, in, very good. So carrying on, we're in here. Then it's just to say lungs for now, and you're just going to reach out in a nice style again and just release the arms down. After that, it's going to continue. You're going to take the leg up and make a nice circle with the knee bent, taking it round, and you'll end in a nice lunge. So the front leg will be bent and the back leg will be straight. And when doing this, we're going to take the arms round, so it'll go up like that, and then you're going to take the front arm, following the back arm, and you just want to reach it and make it as long as you can. So over, reach, reach, very good. Adding on, we're going to turn to the back this time, so nice step, turn to face the front again. So we've gone from the pushers back, push back, out, out, in, out, leg, reach, reach, step, turn, step to face the front. Very good. So carrying on, we're going to do a big windmill. We're going to start as low as we can, take it up as high as we can, to end as low as we can again. Very good. So it's just gone step, turn, step, windmill, windmill, back up, and we'll just add the last few moves on now. We're just going to do 2 sways from either side, and then we're going to do flicking the leg in front, nice and sharp. We're going to raise the arms up when we do that, so it'll go flick, then we'll reach across our body, and we want that on the diagonal, reach, in, and every time we're coming back to our neutral position again. So flick, down, reach, down, and then we're going to cross them across our body and release them nice and slowly. So it'll go flick, down, reach, down, cross, release nice and slowly. So we will add that on from the walks and then we'll do it from the beginning. So we'll go push back, reach up, up, down, down, up, leg round, arm, step, turn, step, windmill, nice and big, sway, sway, neutral, flick up, across your body and just release them. Very good, so we'll do it from the beginning. I'll speak it and then we'll do it with some music. So I want us to really think about the contrast of when we're nice and sharp and when we're nice and gentle and when we'll use them different moves. So from the beginning. So we'll do it with no music and then we'll add it to some music. So push, hide, push, to the front, step in front, turn, reach in, down to the ground, arm, pushing back and back, up, down, down, out, release down, leg, arm, step, turn, step, big windmill, sway, flick up, flick across your body and just release it out. Excellent, so that is all the choreography for today. So we'll try it with some music now. I'll still shout the moves over and then we'll try it once without me shouting. Push, hide, reach, to the front, step, in front, turn, reach in, down, arm, push, up, down, out, leg, arm, turn, windmill, as big as you can, sway, flip, arm, cross, excellent, so that is the whole dance. So we will try it once more with the music. And I really want us to think about getting the tension in our arms when we want them to be nice and strong. And making the moves as big and exaggerated as we can. So really dance it this time.
What do you want? 'Cause you've been keeping me awake. Are you here to distract me so I make a big mistake? Or are you someone out there who's a little bit like
all for today's dance class, so I'll leave you there to practice. Thank you very much for joining in.